now listen, we have here Lara. And Lara got the new iPhone 12 mini. And because we got the new one, this one can go off. Yeah, Larushka, so, oh, you are very heavy. Listen, listen, what is this? What is this? Let's go open it, yeah? Sit, sit. Oh, come. Sit, listen. This one. It's very heavy. That's really not work. Listen, listen, Larushka, calm down. Oh, la la. This one we put somewhere to the base, to the hell. And watch. Oh, what is this? Off-white. Larushka, what you are saying? What do you think? What do you think? Do you take it out? In the box it is something like this. We will check it out later. Okay, the iPhone mini looks like this. It's that much big that Larushka can very easily fall. Call, sorry. Fall too. I think she have very enough. So we will be unpacked without her. Oh, look at. Now she start get the interest actually. You see how she's holding my hand? What is it? Do you like this iPhone? I think you don't mind too much, right? So, don't want to get a scratch straight away, but we have to check it from the both side. Hello. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.